What's going on, YouTube? Checking back in with you. Today we got a special video. As you could tell by the title of this video, my car finally starts. Man, two juice, can't even explain, like put in words like how it feels. If you've ever built a car and you've ever put some time, blood, money, sweat, tears, literally all the above into a project, especially a project that took like a long time, like a couple years, for instance, in my case here, you know this feeling, man. It's like so indescribable. It is like the best freaking feeling in the world. You finally get your car to start, and it's unreal. At any rate, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Before we do so, I just want to let you know that so me and the homies were trying to get this thing running, and it seemed like it took forever. We were up till like almost 2 in the morning one night. We all had work the next day. We were dog tired, couldn't get it to fire. We had issues with the old wiring harness, so I ended up swapping out for a brand new wiring harness. So yeah, man. So anyways, I was by myself when I was swapping this new harness on. Well, actually, let me take that back. The homie Greg helped me swap it, but he had to take off. So all that was really left was hooking up the flying leads, which I'm not a wiring person by a long shot, so I really didn't know what I was doing. I'm saying all that to say this. When I fired this up, I didn't have my GoPro out. I had my phone recording just because I didn't really think it was going to fire, to be totally honest with you. I was just like, I might as well just put my phone up just in case, you know, just so I can have my reaction. But like wholeheartedly, like 99% of me thought it wasn't going to work. So the reason why that's important is because my phone quality, the video's all right, I guess, but the audio is crap, and it's very disappointing. It is what it is. I still got the reaction. You still see my face, and this is something that, you know, I'll be able to hold on to for a lifetime because I got it. You know what I mean? At any rate, just wanted to kind of let you guys know that. So expect some good, but also some bad. But anyway, let's get right into it. Check it out. Thanks for watching the video. I'll let y'all later. Like,
this is that OG song in the Cressida. Oh, that's gonna sing you behind that ultra.
Man, that Hennessy and pineapple juice made that little bad bitch get losing. Oh yeah, it's a field goal drink. Bitch, what you think? I'm about sheer kind of big thing. Man, that Hennessy and pineapple juice.
Right to the relay. Go hit the first turn on board. That's a nice car though. I think it was hot for the first turn. No, that first gear was nasty. No, I'm just kidding. I always think when Bill like that, like when Bill's like, you got these guys' knuckles like, Bill finna come in backwards, first turn, back to one. She's like, come on, dude, I'm about to choking me like, dude. I'm finna come in that fast.
hey, close your eyes and don't show Shane who you think Phil's here, bro. That's
For real.
like,
Dude, for real,
every
dude.
day.
Right, every text you please.
They're reading in his voice.
Yeah, that's good. Yes, we have one. Ooh, you got this? He owes us money.
The blade.
He owes us money. He owes
The
us
blade.
money.
He owes us money.
You cut like fish.
Oh, yes.
You cut away from your body and towards your body.
Hi.
Don't cut towards your body, cut towards your body.
Don't cut towards my body.
Cut towards your body.
Okay.
Go towards your body, not your body.
Mm-hmm.
No, cut toward the body, not your body.
Cut towards the body.
Dude.
All right, man, we're about to fire this thing up. Hopefully. We got, what do we got here? Okay, got our hardwired fuel pump. Batteries hooked up.
The question, are you juicing?
Yes.
Okay, that's on. Putting oil in. Gonna put. Oh, we should have put some on the foil. I mean, on the foil.
We didn't even get that.
On the filter.
We didn't even get this hose on though, huh? We didn't get this hose on. Oh wait, you know what?
What's the matter? It won't go on.
It's a small, dude.
Maybe we could cap it. What's up?
Yeah, we could just cap it right here. Boop. Look. Hey. Cap it.
What's that?
Cap it. Oh shoot! Sorry, this. We need to block this. Plug it in somewhere.
Where's that
Bolt.
cap you just had?
I just put it on this one.
What is that on?
That one's on the intake manifold. The
throttle
throttle
body.
body. The throttle baby.
What the?
Oh, it just came out.
Oh, it's broke.
It's supposed to be bolted in. That's why
Fail.
right here, so it doesn't come out.
Plug it in right here.
Yeah.
Shit probably about to squirt oil.
We're supposed to.
Hey, car dude back. I want my money back, Shane.
Yeah, you know what? 2 years later, cuz you didn't put the oil stick in, bro. We about to stick you, boo boo.
Boop boop.
Yeah, how do I know this is gonna be accurate?
Well, it can only go in so far, right?
I don't know, maybe. You never know, dude.
What we looking like? What we looking like? I can't see shit.
It's like right in the middle.
Oh, okay, we good.
here.
It's in the ripples. We're good. We're Gucci. You got more in here though?
Yeah.
Oh, fill her up. Top her off. we ain't working at Toyota right now.
Right?
Top her off.
Flat rate.
Flat rate
These
ass.
flat rate boys.
Boy, you
Leaving
getting
that oil
commission.
filter loosey.
If you save a little bit of oil, we'll give you an extra penny on your paycheck. Ass.
Ass. Yep, that's why I left. That's it. Now we
Only
left
gave
him
you-
strike. He was out there in the hot, cold rain, out there freezing them boys.
Oh man, I can't
Cares
believe
about
it, bro.
us. He was out there.
Can't believe it. Shout out to the homie Gads for coming through. Shane P from the B. And Danny Boy.
Perfectissimo.
We're about to, man, first fire up.
Yeah.
If you don't know,
You want to put
you better learn about it.
coolant or anything?
Oh yeah, we
So
probably should put some water in it.
That way.
You know, we could just keep this off and start it.
Yeah, because that's not even
See,
legit
you know?
on.
True.
Let's get some water, my dudes.
All right.
Oh, yes. Oh, genius.
What's that?
He's a genius. He proud
Oh,
of that. I never saw it.
I take and I put.
You put? Okay, I like. Oh, is that a magnet?
I guess it's kind of magnetic. Maybe it's just kind of heavy.
Let's try it. You can put that there.
Oh,
We
she's
slide, boy.
It's got the fire suppression system.
Oh.
All right, ready, clear.
Better regulate Warren G over there.
Squirt, man.
Alright, we doing first startup? Bye, guy.
So with the 1J, how many clutch kicks does it take to get to the center of the burnout pad?
I learned the hard way.
1J?
1J.
1J, I don't know.
Depending, in this car, you just gas it.
Clutch kick to the center of the skid pad.
First, maybe I shouldn't stand in the front.
Why? You scared?
I am a little scared.
All right, we ready?
Yeah, we ready.
We gotta hit the fuel
Alright,
pump.
fuel.
Hit the fuel pump, Shano. After your prayer.
Alright,
Amen.
man.
Put in neutral.
We got fuel filter. Alright, did we do a
Lord.
quick checkup? Quick checkup. Everyone yell out some stuff that we would need. We got fuel.
We got
Yeah,
fuel.
oil.
Let's just see if it's
Coolant.
it's gonna start. Let's get it cranked. Let's see if it gets a spark. And fuel. Let's get it fuel. Let's see if it gets spark. Start it.
Start it.
Yep. Alright, hold on.
Looking good.
Alright. Try one more time. Alright, let's see. Because they crack if you don't.
They are put.
Okay.
Now you need to ground ours for somehow like these.
Yes.
Stay.
All right, turn the lights up.
Okay. Right? EDM music comes on. It is
All right, take number 30.
Tired.
This for sport.
Test
Danny
for
sleep.
spark.
It's like 1 a.m.
Your test for spark.
Yeah.
Oh!
There it is.
No, stop.
It's got the fire. It's about the fire.
It's about.
Alright, let's plug it in.
It's plug.
We plug it in.
You plug. You unplug.
Oh yes, 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 yes.
I smell the spark.
I smell it too.
Oh my god.
It's worth it all. Oh, I can't even get in.
You can't get in?
I already have been getting. I can't
Oh
wait.
no.
I think I lost the screws for that.
Who cares? I'm just kidding. We just put. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my god.
My Toyota God.
Fuel pump, fuel pump.
Overlook everything.
You better
Alright,
do the
ready?
Toyota jump when it starts.
Alright.
I'm about to fucking scream, bro.
Yep. Oh yeah, it sounds different now too. Go ahead. Hold on.
Forget something?
Nope. Go ahead.
Several days later.
Finger crossed.
Oh shit! She's alive! Oh my god, I'm so juiced right now. You have no idea. No idea. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Oh shit! She's alive, boys!